Y'all, I hope I don't look too funky. I did put some spray tan on my face earlier after I laid out for a little bit, and I haven't taken a shower yet, but I just had a knock on the door and I couldn't resist cutting on my camera and doing a little unboxing. So this is the September Boxycharm. Let's see what we got inside. I've actually seen a lot of spoilers on Instagram, and what I seen looks amazing, and I hope I got a lot of what I seen and wanted. Okay, so let's start off with the paper here. This is called the Boxycharm All Access. Okay, let me just grab the first thing I see. So, I got the Hank and Henry liquid liner. Yes! Oh my God, I'm so happy it's black. I was scared to death. Okay, first of all, let me tell you. I was hoping I would get the liquid liner because I've been wanting to try out a different liquid liner anyway, and I had the worst fear that it was going to be brown or dark brown. I don't really wear that color liquid liner, but oh my God, it's called Blickety Black. Yay! I got the black liquid liner. Woohoo! I'm so excited. So next thing we have is these Moda, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Pro. 5-piece deluxe eyeshadows. These look amazing. What? They're all black. Look at those. Oh my God, these are really nice looking. So we've got a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. These look so good, y'all. I'm not even playing. These look so good. All right, next up, oh, we got a Dr. Brandt. Yes, girl. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. I'm telling y'all, Boxycharm got it going on. Come on now, full-size products, $21. All of this amazing stuff. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So what? So you just apply it to your skin before you go to bed. Don't rinse and just go to sleep, wake up beautiful. Okay, Dr. Brandt, I can do that. Ooh, next up we've got a Laura Geller. Oh my God, what is this? It looks delicious. It's called Gilded Honey. Oh, is it like a highlighter? Y'all, look at this. This looks freakishly amazing. It's so pretty, I don't even want to touch it. Okay, ring light, you can stop with that little, you know, reflective thing you're doing. Should I touch it? I don't want to ruin it. Oh my God, what is that? It's beautiful. I'll have to check the paper. Okay. What? Okay, I seen that there was 3 different choices of eyeshadow palettes. You could get Too Faced, you could get Tarte, or you could get Violet Voss Essentials. Look what I got. All right, ring light, we're not playing no more. Chill. We got the Violet Voss Essentials. What is this? Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these colors. Cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plum berry, cinnamon, and black. Oh my God. This is such good stuff, you guys. Okay, let's see. Let's see the prices for all of this. So remember, $21 for a Boxycharm. Are you hearing me, honey? Okay, so the Violet Voss palette alone is $29. Okay, $29 for the Violet Voss palette. The Dr. Brandt product is $52. Sweet mother. These are $27. The Laura Geller is $26, which by the way, it says to swipe all over your face for a lit from within glow. And the eyeliner is $20. So pretty much you're paying for the eyeliner plus $1. That's the price of a Boxycharm box. This eyeliner right here. Boop. And look at all the stuff you got. $52? Girl. I love all of this. I want to use it all right now. I wish I could ask y'all, like, should I do a use it on the video? Like, try it out on the video, or should I just keep the unboxing as it is? Oh, let's see what number 1 I got. Number 2 with a heart. Number 2, baby. Wow, I'm obsessed with these boxes, it's crazy. Always. Always. I can't wait. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm gonna shower, get this stuff off my face, girl. Change into something more appropriate because I'm actually wearing the shirt I wore yesterday and some jammer shorts. And we're gonna do a makeup look with this. Okay, sorry for being annoying. Bye. Okay, so I washed my face and I took a bath, girl. One thing I wanted to say, I'm obviously not going to be trying this on my face right now because this is something you do at night. But if you want to know if I liked it, just go ahead and ask. And then when I use it, I'll be like, yay or nay. But anyway, I am going to be using the other products today, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face. So I first applied my Cashmere Skin Toning Oil, and Cashmere is Kim Zolciak's company. I think this is actually for your body, but to be honest, it's amazing on the face and I use it every day and I'm obsessed with it and I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on my upper eyelid and a little bit in the inner corner before I do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be doing my eyes first and my face last. Sometimes I do it the other way around, sometimes I don't, but I mainly like to do it this way. Eyes first, face last. Also, I never got to tell you guys what I thought about this Becca powder from the last month's box. It is the most amazing powder. It's a hydrating mist, set and refresh powder, and it's actually cool to the touch. Hydro Mist, I don't know if it's wet or what, but it literally, it even says here like, keep me closed to keep me cool. When you apply it to your skin, it's like instantly cool when I stick it to my skin, so it feels really interesting. But I really like this powder and I got this in last month's box. So I'm just gonna set my concealer with that. I'm using the palette today that I got in the box, and I'm really not in the mood for a colorful look, so I think I'm just going to use just the neutral shades here. And I actually wanted to try out these new brushes I just got in the box. So, these are so cool looking, but they're gonna get dirty fast. They've got like a rubbery, oh, it's actually plastic. It felt rubbery, but I'm sure I'm going to get foundation all over the ends of these. So let's see. Oh, I like that it says on the brush too what they're for. So smudger, detail, shade. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade brush. I'm gonna pick up this shade here, which is Sand. Let's see. Oh, that's a little darker than what I thought. Girl, I thought that was gonna be more neutral, so I'm gonna blend that out so it's not as orangey. It looks kind of orangey to me. Ooh, maybe I put on too much, but we're gonna blend that out. I really like this brush so far. Really, really, really like it. So I guess this is just going to be my starter shade, my transition shade. So now that we've got that on our eye, we're gonna work with these other colors. Boop, 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 boop. To use the crease brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this shade here. It's called Cinnamon. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon. And I'm going to work that from the outer corner up into the crease. Maybe I should be looking at the camera. This is why I don't do makeup tutorials, because this setup I have makes everything a little hard to do. Maybe I need to get a tripod for my camera that will fit on my table, because if not, I'm always like looking this way, looking that way, looking everywhere but the camera, honey. Alright, so working that cinnamons up in the crease, baby. And all of a sudden my arm feels like today, like it doesn't want to work. Have you ever felt like that? Your hand and your arm just feels like it's non-existent and it's just bloop. I feel like I'm doing a legit workout right now for some reason. It's the weirdest feeling. Alright, so I'm just going to blend that all out. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that sand that I used in the beginning and just blend that right in here. Still using that crease brush. I really want to pick up some of this cream color and see what that looks like on my eye. Oh, do I dare? Boop. Yes, I do. I dare do it. Okay. Okay, girl, not the look I was going for today, but it's alright. Don't think twice. It's alright. Gotta even it up now. And I'm gonna blend it out with the brush. Just kind of tone it down a little bit. Use the smudger brush. I'm gonna pick up some of that cinnamon and just line my bottom lash line with it. I really like these brushes. Like, really like these brushes. I'm going to clean this up a little bit with my makeup wipe. Boop, boop, boop. And now for fun, because I'm in the mood, I'm gonna take a little bit of that black, which is just called black, and I'm gonna work it up into that crease. From the outer V, just pulling it right up in there. Darkening it a little bit. And I'm gonna blend that all out. So I'm done with my eyeshadow and I want to try out that eyeliner now. I'm really excited about it. And then after I do my eyeliner, we're also going to test this out, the Gellar product. And I'm going to do my eyebrows and my face makeup, or face, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I'm not really good at doing my eyeliner while holding something like this in my hand, so don't judge. It's about to happen. I don't know what I'm doing. Help! For y'all, I will try though, if it messes up. So I'm just taking this, I'm drawing a line up right there at the corner. It's going up. I'm gonna do it on this side too, so that it's somewhat even. So now I'm going to start in the inner corner here, and I'm just going to drag this across my eye like that. And then I'm going to connect it with that other line we made. Okay, so I managed to get this eye done, but I don't think it's gonna be as easy on this eye, so I'm gonna do this one off camera. Okay, so I just finished doing all of my makeup. For my eyebrows, I used my Anastasia pomade. For my concealer, I mixed a little bit, or like I switched back and forth with my NARS, my Givenchy, and my ColourPop. I didn't use any foundation, I just used my concealers as a foundation, kind of. For my mascara, I used my L'Oreal primer. And then I switched back and forth between my Kevyn Aucoin Expert Mascara and my Tarte Big Ego Mascara. For my bronzer, I used the Cover FX palette, and I used the contour color for a bronzer and the blush for the blush. So overall, I love the eyeshadows. I love the eyeliner, even though it wasn't as wet and as dark as I would have liked it, I can always just go in and add more. I also did add a little bit more shadows, like just smudged it more here and a little bit more up in the crease. And now I wanted to try this. So the paper says to put it all over, but I don't know about that. So I wanted just to pick up a little bit with this brush and see what it looked like as a highlighter. Okay, so it's not too strong, so I guess it actually is something that you could put all over. It says to put it all over for a glow from within. Ah! Well, I don't notice much glow, but maybe there's a little bit of extra glow, but I would have really liked this as a highlighter. So I'm actually gonna pick some of that up with my finger. Ah, there we go. That's a little better. I didn't notice it on my skin as much when I put it all over, but putting it on with my finger as an actual highlighter. Oh, I need to blend that contour on my nose. That's a little better. Oh, I like that. So, here I am. I'm gonna finish off with my Slay All Day Coconut Setting Spray. Ah! And I'm actually not gonna do my lips today because I don't feel like it. So there's just a little bit of leftover concealer on there. And honestly, that is fine by me. So overall, I absolutely love the September Boxycharm. I think everything in it was amazing, and I'm also looking forward to trying out this nighttime mask, and I'll let you know what I think about it. The brushes were amazing, the palette was amazing. That Laura Geller product as a highlighter is amazing. I might try it again all over my face to see, maybe I just did it wrong. If you have any tips, let me know. And yeah, overall, everything's pretty good. So, if you haven't signed up for Boxycharm yet, I suggest you go ahead and do so because it's only $21 a month and you get all these amazing products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments and give this video a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!